Schulz with the FM4 News.
Good morning. The Israeli army says it's making preparations for the implementation of the first stage of U.S. President Donald Trump's peace proposal. In a statement, the Prime Minister's office said the government was getting ready for the release of hostages. Trump had earlier told Israel to stop bombing Gaza immediately after Hamas agreed to release all Israeli hostages. The BBC's John Sudworth assesses the response from Hamas.
On face value, it appears to accept some of the broad principles, an end to the war, a prisoner exchange, it says, and then in another part of his statement, it appears, in word at least, to agree to the release of hostages, although it does say that's going to be subject to the correct field conditions being met and possibly further negotiations. And it also, in one part of the statement, appears to accept the idea, a key part of this peace proposal, that the governance of Gaza would be handed over to a committee of sort of technocratic Palestinians.
Munich Airport says it's gradually resuming operations after a second night of closure due to drone sightings. Flights were originally meant to resume at 5 a.m., but were delayed again after a few further sightings. Munich is the latest in a series of European airports forced to close temporarily due to unexplained drone activity. Last week, airports in Denmark and Norway were affected.